Hmm. Work all day and then I wake up. How is the baby? Oh, I guess you are gone.
Say again?
How is your baby? I was asking.
Pretty good. We went to the doctor today. Maybe she has, I don't know how to say, allergy.
Oh, allergia. It's I also forgot. I don't remember.
So we have to take some exams.
Oh, poor.
The most probably she has allergy.
Oh, okay.
Allergy is allergy.
Allergy. Yeah, you're right. Very easy.
Yeah.
Oh, so sorry. Yeah, because sometimes you see that when she's like with the nose, something not so normal, then better to go to the doctor.
Yes. Let me find something.
Okay, what's happening now is a little bit rejecting.
She has a cough, like a toser.
Yeah, cough.
Which is the verb. Cough. Yeah.
Such
So
a pity.
sometimes the doctor said that it's allergy. You have to take exams. So it's a good time to enter.
Just wait a second. At least wait that it breaks 4,360. I mean, it looked good, but I think that at least the dollar has to go up a bit now. Bonds have been going up since yesterday, a little bit of recovery. Let me see. I mean, yeah, you can try to go in a buy here, but you have to place the sell. The sell. You have to place the stop loss a little wider now if you want to go in a sell. Sorry, here at least. Right, wait.
It's like
Work all day. Yeah, because I'm afraid that price could come anyways to this zone from yesterday, around here. And then, for me, this is like the best place because also the fib, if you drive from high to low, this is the perfect area to sell around here. Yeah, and still, maybe if it loses 4,318 in the 1 minute around here, then we could get in, for example. But I thought today the movement is not so clean like yesterday, for example. It was clean since the beginning. Okay, we go in there, for example. Once it loses this, or the 15-minute, let's see. Patience. That's the hardest part in trading, right? To wait.
Yeah, to wait. Or do it and don't do anything.
Yeah, that's the other part. Like sometimes we have like we have a setup.
Like just skip.
Yeah, skip it. It's not needed to be every time in the market. Like that's why I think many people lose. Because if you, for example, you have a setup, you have a strategy, you have to wait for the rules to be aligned. You know, you cannot just open the computer and say, okay, I'm gonna go in, because maybe the conditions are not the ones.
Yeah, follow the plan.
Follow the plan.
That's the complicated part.
Yeah. Okay. Now if it starts closing negative, then I think it could come around here. Because at least it's respecting this. Now we need a big bearish candle and then better. I'm gonna say prepare to re-enter. Work all day. How was work, by the way? You told me you work in the mood? In the...
Yeah.
Wow, I love that building.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Yes. It's different.
The hottest place in Santiago.
Yes. It's very different compared with others. Yeah, like as good to say. It has plants, flowers. It's different. The architecture and very nice. But they don't go usually there.
No? Because it's in the other area where the offices are, right?
No. Yeah, but mostly working remotely. I have this opportunity.
That's good. Yeah, with the baby.
Yeah.
Look, the S&P 500 is open negative. So what we learned from our mentor, Tamas, we have to shout it out, is that he always look in the market how it opened. For example, you go here and you see market data, and for example now it's gonna open in 10 minutes the Chinese market, but at least the Japanese market it opened negative. And I think the fact that the Bank of Japan is gonna raise rates after 31 years, that is also not so good, because I mean in the sense that it's not so bullish probably for some assets, because the carry yen trade has been always thanks to Japan. Here. And yeah, let's see, but it's a little bit stuck. It's not moving so cleanly like yesterday.
But I think seeing the candles, thinking about my strategy, I think it's a good opportunity to sell.
Max, hello Max, Max Welton, how are you? And Kiran is here, is my friend. Hi King. He tells me Queen. I love my team. You guys are the best. And looking for sales around 4,330. Yeah, that sounds good. If we get there. What do you think? Will we get there? Well, we are only 100 pips away. Yeah, could be. In 10 minutes, the Chinese Shanghai market opens. Yeah, but now it's losing the level, so I think that could be. But around here and 4,330, it's also okay. I mean, sometimes we wait for the perfect like price to get in, but sometimes it doesn't go all the way. And sometimes I just have to close my eyes and go in. I don't know if it happens to you guys. Okay, now it's looking like it's losing. Yeah. Okay, let's try a sell. Work all day and then I wake up. You know, the best would be to close yesterday gap. Can you imagine? That would be so good. Yeah, yesterday gold left this huge, well, this gap, which is how much? Almost 200 pips to the downside.
Look.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put music because that is the fun part. Na, 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 na. The only problem, I cannot put music that it's on the radio because the rights, then they block my YouTube. Oh. I like this level for sales. I don't know why 4,330, that's too far away. Actually, it doesn't look so good if gold would reclaim this level. Because this zone is the level that we want to see gold rejecting, not so higher. I mean, it would be nice here, but 4,300, I think that more than 4,330 will be this level.
The price is there, still fighting.
Yeah, I see. Patient. Yeah, it's strange when Asia doesn't really make the move. By now, Shanghai should have made it anyways.
Okay.
patient. I think that, you know, this level is the one. First level, it could reject from here. Otherwise, this one. But I think it's important, the Bank of Japan meeting, when they say the projections, I think. That's why probably this is quiet, because the Bank of Japan hasn't said anything, probably.
This is going to be soon?
Yeah, it's tonight, but they never say the time. That's the thing, it's tentative, they say. Otherwise, you can close the sale and come with the clarity, because it looks like it's quiet now. Yeah, but there it goes. Can you dump? Yeah, thank you. Or what time?
Yeah, but finally, I think finally is when it's going in the good direction.
Release the schedule. When is this? There's a bankofjapan.org.gp. June 16, undecided. I'm going to put it in the screen. We always laugh because our mentor, Tamas, the one from Alpha Forex, he always put like some music before the news release. Very funny music. And then I feel a little stressed. Release schedule June 16, which is already now in Japan. So it's a statement of monetary policy. Yeah, so it's undecided.
Okay. Could be anytime.
Yeah, good, but should be now. I'm gonna tell in the group that better we close it because it's... For Alita Batava. Hi friend, how are you? 4,328 and 30 is good area for sell. I agree, but I think it's not good if gold would go further than here. But now it's rejecting, so I think this is looking good. Here. And who else was saying? I saw Medi Chakir. Do you think Bank of Japan interest rate will affect gold negatively? Yes. Because of the carry yen trade. The most important is what they say next after the release. Because if they signal that they are gonna hike more later this year, the market is gonna price that in. If the Bank of Japan hikes more rates, this can pressure risk assets such as equities, crypto, and sometimes commodities. But I think that it's very rare that they signal that they are gonna hike more, because that is gonna be react more aggressively in the market. Pim, 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 pim. Now must lose this level, and then probably it goes to the low, and also from yesterday, 4,290. But you see that when the futures, like the market is negative, also gold reacts. Like last week when the market opens negative, somehow like gold reacts. Japanese market is negative and the Chinese market is positive. So it's a little mixed. Ben sentence. That price action of that 1 hour inverted fair value gap. Which one? In gold, you mean? Vincent? This level, you mean? No, the fair value gap is higher here. But if we look at the 1 hour, and it makes an engulfing 1 hour, that also looks good for sales. I need more water. I had sushi for lunch, so I'm so thirsty. Now this price action I mark in the yellow is the zone which I thought that we should reject from here. And so far we have done. Blood on the face. But the market is a little bit rotational here, guys. It's not so clean. It's not trending today. Definitely not. The real thing.
Okay, so to wait, I have closed my.
At least a little bit of profit.
No.
Oh, but before we almost hit
Yeah,
TV1.
Yeah,
It's boring. It's like not trending today. Sometimes it happens.
For us,
yeah, take rest. Enjoy your night.
Profit for a switch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Send me some picture later, please. I want to see the baby.
No, I think she's already sleeping, probably.
Yeah. No, but I think I saw it in your profile picture. I need to go and pick up water. Ay. Okay. So we are above the monthly VWAP. This pink level is the monthly VWAP. This is the weekly VWAP and the daily VWAP. So if it starts trending below here,
like 400 and 3,000. Oh, there, right? It shows.
might close the session. Being lonely, blood on the face, and bring it his days. Lonely, blood on the face. Let's go. Send it. Okay. $4,280. But what if it closes the gap today? This level makes sense if we get like a dip to get like a rebound. Because even if gold would come here and reject from this zone, that would also be a retest of having lost this level around 4,500. That's good. Very slowly, guys. But yeah, what do you think?
Slowly, better to sleep, better to read.
Better. And then we got the S&P 500 tomorrow. This is gonna be my last Asian session of the week, and tomorrow maybe see you around the New Year's session.
Okay.
Have
So
a
you
good-
have the flight tomorrow
At night, at 7.
at night.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah. Okay.
have a good rest. Enjoy.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you for joining. It was nice to have you. Have a good rest.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Morning.
See you.
Bye.
Oh, it's going up and down. Okay, I'm gonna close the streaming because it's also not so fun today, I think. And we meet probably for the New York Stock Exchange. It was nice to have you guys. Bye. Good night. Stop streaming.